Hello and welcome to Affinity. Sometimes you just want to take a picture and change it. Very often the sky you want to do a separate edit and the land separately. And a very quick way to do this is as follows. Start off, pick the selection brush tool, make your brush size suitable, maybe a bit more, there we go. And I'm just going to select here, wish it selected a lot, so I'm going to hold down the Alt key and unpaint the bit that I got too much of. Maybe the brush is a bit big here. There we go, just pick off that. Not going to worry too much here. I'm going to hit refine here so I can just tidy up that tree. So let's get a brush, there we go, and let's paint that in there. And we got the thing. Yes, bring up the menu for it. Just put background which says this bit here is going to be not selected. That's not part of it. So I'm just going to tell that. Just going to think about that for a moment. Oh dear, look at that. So let's go back and tidy up there, please. There we go. And so on, do this. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but you get the idea. So you select the sky, and now what I'm going to do is go for curves, and Ctrl-M is a shortcut for curves. So Ctrl-M and bring that up, and that's for the sky. So I can Ctrl-D now to get rid of the marching ants, because I get automatically get here, you can see that there, I get a mask, and then I'm gonna what I'm gonna do, bring down the sky a bit. There we go, just get in, emphasize that, and then I can get rid of that. But I now want another curve, so I'll just hit Ctrl-J, which will copy that layer. It also copies its mask, but now I want to invert it, so Ctrl-I, which will invert the mask, which means that instead of hitting the sky, it is now focused on the ground. So if I just bring up the curves for that, here we go, to reset that curve, and now I can do something like a bit of an S curve, say, here, to add a bit of contrast into the foreground. And that's it. That's all you do, and the trick is you select the sky, or you could do the land, and then you do one curves, and then you invert it on the second one. So if I take those off, there we go, the original, and put them back on, and there we are, tweaked up. Sky darkened a bit, and the foreground with a bit more contrast. That's it. Hope you like that, and thank you very much for watching.